Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I know this video is kind of late because Halloween passed, but unfortunately I didn't have the time to edit and upload this video on time. As you guys know, right now is the high season of candle makers. But anyway, I hope you still enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video at the end if you actually enjoy it. I'm gonna start by making the embeds for the Witches Brew Candle. I'm making some skull and bones, and I'm putting some red candle dye on the skulls to create that bludgeon effect. I don't know how to call it. For everyone asking, I'm using Eco 10 wicks and my jar is a 10.5 ounces jar with a diameter of about 3 inches. And the wax I am always using is Nature's Wax C3. To create this violet color of my candles, it's actually purple and it shows kind of red on the screen, but I used purple dye and I used about 5 to 6 drops on each candle. Let me know guys in the comments below if you prefer voiceovers, me explaining everything I do, or if you also prefer videos that I only show you the process. I actually prefer voiceovers. I think they make more sense because I want to explain the things that I'm doing, but sometimes I don't have the time to actually do a voiceover, and it's easier for me to just film what I do and edit and upload the video. And as you can see here, the skulls came out perfectly as how I wanted them. The next step is to take those skulls and bones and insert them into the jar. I prefer doing this when the wax is slightly warm so I can insert them and place them the way that I like. For the whip topping, I'm using this orange color. I think it complements the purple really well. And I'm using a blended fragrance which I created, which has cinnamon with orange, some clove, and the base of vanilla, let's say. And it's a really nice wintry scent. I always start piping the wax in the middle first because my wax is still a little bit warm, and as I go it gets colder, it sets better. And the last step is to label these candles. I am using this label which I created in Photoshop and printed it at home. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.